Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ice makers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Sylon Ice Maker Countertop. This compact and portable ice machine is perfect for anyone seeking a lightweight and easy-to-use ice maker for small spaces. Measuring just 8.7 by 11.4 by 11.6 inches, it fits seamlessly on countertops without taking up much room. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive performance, producing bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds of ice daily. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a sturdy handle for portability and a simple control panel that makes operation a breeze. Whether you're hosting a party, camping, or using it in your office, the Sylon Ice Maker ensures your ice needs are met quickly and efficiently. Plus, it includes a self-cleaning function that simplifies maintenance. Just add water and hold the clean button for 5 seconds to activate. While its compact size and portability are major advantages, the storage capacity is limited to 1.3 pounds of ice at a time, which might not be sufficient for larger gatherings. Additionally, it lacks advanced features like Nugget ice or multiple ice size options. Still, for its price and portability, the Sylon Ice Maker is a solid choice for small households, offices, or on-the-go use. Coming in at number 4 is the Frigid Air 26 pounds per day portable compact maker. This stainless steel ice maker boasts a sleek, modern design that blends seamlessly into any kitchen or office space. Its large, transparent window allows you to monitor the ice-making process, while the digital control panel makes operation straightforward and user-friendly. With the ability to produce up to 26 pounds of clear ice cubes daily, this machine is perfect for medium-sized households or light commercial use. Performance-wise, the Frigid Air excels with its efficient ice-making capability, producing perfectly squared ice cubes in under 6 minutes. It also offers 2 ice cube size options, catering to different drink preferences. The reservoir beneath the ice basket ensures a steady supply of water for uninterrupted operation, while the bin can store up to 2.2 pounds of ice at a time. The functionality is enhanced by indicator lights that alert you when the bin is full or when water needs to be refilled. While the Frigid Air offers great performance, it doesn't include advanced features like self-cleaning or portability, making it less versatile for on-the-go use. However, its sturdy build, efficiency, and stylish design make it ideal for those who prioritize aesthetics and reliability in a countertop ice maker. Taking the number 3 spot is the EUMY Countertop Ice Maker Machine with Handle. This compact and portable ice maker is packed with features that make it perfect for home, kitchen, camping, or RV use. With dimensions of 11.57 by 11.42 by 8.74 inches and a lightweight design, it's easy to carry and store. It produces bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and can generate up to 26 pounds of ice daily, ensuring you always have fresh ice ready to go. This machine is equipped with advanced infrared sensors that alert you when the ice basket is full or when water needs to be added, making operation hassle-free. The one-touch auto-cleaning function simplifies maintenance, ensuring your ice is always clean and safe to consume. The large see-through window adds convenience by letting you monitor the ice-making process without opening the lid. While the EUMY Countertop Ice Maker offers excellent portability and user-friendly features, its ice storage capacity is limited to 1.3 pounds at a time. Additionally, it produces only 1 shade of ice cubes. Despite these minor drawbacks, it's a fantastic option for anyone seeking a reliable, portable, and easy-to-operate ice maker for any occasion. At number 2, we have the EUHomie Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop. This stainless steel pebble ice maker is a powerhouse, producing up to 35 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice in just 24 hours. With a sleek and compact design measuring 11.02 by 9.06 by 12.6 inches, it fits comfortably on most countertops, making it ideal for home, office, or kitchen use. The 1.1-liter water tank ensures a consistent supply of fresh ice, eliminating the need for frequent refills. One of its standout features is the automatic cleaning function, activated with a simple press of the clean button. This ensures your ice remains fresh and hygienic without the hassle of manual scrubbing. The user-friendly design includes a straightforward control panel, making operation as simple as pressing the ice button. The machine also produces Nugget ice, perfect for cocktails, sodas, and chilled beverages, which melts slowly and retains authentic flavors. While the EUHomie Nugget ice maker offers excellent performance and a steady ice supply, it's slightly heavier than other models on this list, which may limit portability. However, its superior ice quality, robust build, and self-cleaning feature make it an excellent choice for households and offices that demand premium Nugget ice. Finally, at the #1 spot, we have the EHomie Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. This black sonic ice maker is the perfect combination of speed, efficiency, and portability. Producing nugget ice in just 6 minutes and up to 34 pounds daily, it's ideal for home, parties, RVs, and camping trips. Its compact design, sturdy handle, and lightweight build make it incredibly portable, while the removable top cover allows for easy access and cleaning. The EHomie Nugget Ice Maker shines with its auto-cleaning function and smart indicators. The ice full and add water alerts ensure smooth operation without unnecessary interruptions. The crunchy, soft pellet ice it produces is perfect for chewing, chilling drinks, or making smoothies. Additionally, it operates at less than 50 dB, ensuring a quiet environment while saving energy with its low consumption rate of 3 kilowatt-hours per day. With its thoughtful design, efficient ice production, and user-friendly features, the EHomie Nugget Ice Maker is the ultimate choice for anyone seeking a portable, reliable, and high-performing ice maker. While it's slightly pricier than other models, its premium features and versatility make it well worth the investment for those who want the best nugget ice experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.